Hi metalheads. Well, I've removed the casing from the flywheel. It's a bit of a mess. I was going to film this from start to finish, but there's a hockey game between the Montreal Canadiens and the Boston Bruins tonight. And twice now, while trying to film this, my ladies come down to tell me the score. I don't really give a shit, but every time it ruins the filming of this. So everything is off now. But I'll give you a rundown of what happened. When I was initially starting to film the pour of this, I had an audience and I totally blew it. I forgot to preheat the existing casting, and it chilled the metal before it could flow properly into all the crevices here. So this is probably a scrap. I may melt the whole damn thing down now. But I did learn a few things. The tapered socket I was using for the core here, the tap of the hammer, it released very easily, and still has a bit of the soot on it, so that worked well. And the bolt here that I blackened and it was in here, I needed vice grips to take it out. I couldn't use the Allen head here, it just didn't work. And the sheet metal form was wonderful. It released no problem. All the soot stayed on the form. So that's good to know. Unfortunately, the aluminum didn't flow here, but it flowed through here. I didn't tighten this quite as much as I should have. And there's a lot more heat held here, so the aluminum stayed liquid long enough to go under the nut, or the socket. And we got this mess. It flowed through some of the bolt holes, which I had covered, and unfortunately ruined the taper for mounting it on the shaft. So I'm going to have to recut that if I don't scrap this completely. It was quite a learning experience. I never tried to pour something on top of existing aluminum. So I hope I have another flywheel like this hanging around. Give it another go. But I'm still going to try and machine this to see how it comes out. So, till next time guys, take care.